Villane Raamat MTÜ is a not-for-profit society formed in 2013 in order to promote Estonian literature both at home and abroad, particularly the medium of short story writing. In order to pursue our endeavor, we have founded two sister journals, one in Estonian and one in English. Ella, Eesti lühilugude ajakiri, and Jess, Journal of Estonian Short Stories, respectively. Part of the aim of these two journals is to create a platform for multi-level dialogue between the old and the new Estonia, through short fiction. That is not only to say between Estonians at home and abroad, but also between different generations. In addition to promoting Estonian literature from established and new authors, we are firmly committed to supporting them by providing meaningful remuneration to our contributors for their literary creations, and we are working hard to raise the necessary funds to do so.
It's good to see that Jess and Ella have been met with enthusiasm, developing a small but growing fan base in Estonia, Finland, Canada, Australia, New Zealand and the United States. And also that a number of individuals and organizations have offered their help and support. For example, the Estonian Printing Museum in Tartu has let us use their facilities to print flyers and promotional material.
Igal korralikul kokal on oma head retseptid. Nii sündis ka meil retsept, kuidas teha kirjandusajakirja. Täiesti omast kogemusest on kirja pandud. Kirjandusajakirja alustamiseks läheb tarvis kuhjaga energiat. Ja edasi vajad sa kümneid ja kümneid loetud lühilugusid. Tähtis koostisosa, mida ei tohi unustada, on kausitäis inspiratsiooni. Järgmiseks vajad sa ühe osa otsivat hinge. Viimane tore osa retseptis on see koht, kus kõik saavad osa võtta väikese annetusega. Kui kõik retsepti koostisosad on koos ja ilusti siin laual, siis on aeg valmistamise juurde asuda. Võta 2 täitsa erinevat inimest, kes kohtusid ja siis tegid omi asju edasi. Hing otsigu samal ajal edasi. Vahepeal loe maailma kirjandusest lühijutte ja tunne, kuidas kannutäis vaimustust kerkima hakkab. Siis tule seljakotiga koju ja tunneta kogunenud energiat. Kohtu sõpradega ja arenda ideed edasi. Ja lõpetuseks vala üle hoogu andvate annetustega, et ajakirjad saaks kaunid ja hästi läbi küpsetatud.
When we were developing Jess and Ella, people kept asking us what was the difference between them and other literary journals, and why are they only published twice a year? The difference is in the structure of the journals. Published twice a year, corresponding with academic semesters, with 12 stories in each issue, corresponding roughly to the average number of study weeks in an academic semester. Part of the concept of Jess and Ella is that they're not just standalone publications filled with short stories, but that they can also be utilized for education. At Villane Raamat, we are currently developing a number of courses based around the content of Jess and Ella, in subjects ranging from contemporary Estonian literature and translation studies to Estonian culture and diaspora studies.
Head hooandjad. Meil hoog on sees ja mõtted head. Tahetki on palju. Ent tugi veel veidi väike. Tule, hea inime, ja anna hoogu. Nii saab autor tasu loogu. Ning trükiks saame juurde poognaid. Koos teeme paremini. Koos on tunne kindlam. Koos hoiame kirjasõna. Tule, hea inime, ja anna hoogu.